Hi guys, and welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. It's your host Alex Ionescu. Unity stock is plunging. Investors are losing faith in the company's strategy. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest buys 1 million Unity software shares after IronSource acquisition. Let's dive right into it. Unity software stock price down almost 1% today. Year to date down almost 80%. Bitcoin up 1.34% today, down 56% year to date. Tesla stock price up 0.54% today, year to date down 40%, past year up almost 10%. Unity Software is a video game software development company based in San Francisco. It was founded in Denmark in 2004 as Over the Edge Entertainment and changed its name in 2007. Unity Technology is best known for the development of Unity, a licensed game engine used to create video games and other applications. As of 2020, Unity Technologies has undergone significant growth despite reporting financial losses for every year since its founding in 2004. Unity products, Unity Pro, Unity Industrial Collection, Unity Enterprise, Unity Ads, Unity Reflect, Unity Art Engine. Unity software is pretty diversified. It has solutions in games category, automotive, transportation and manufacturing, film, animation, cinematics, architecture, engineering and construction, government and aerospace, gambling. Unity stock is plunging. Investors are losing faith in the company's strategy. Unity software investors are throwing up their hands in despair. After a series of questionable decisions, the company's credibility with shareholders seemed to be fading. On Wednesday, Unity shares tumbled 17% after the game development platform announced a definitive agreement to merge with app monetization company IronSource for $4.4 billion in an all-stock deal. After this huge drop in stock price, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest swooped in and bought a boatload of stock. To be exact, she bought 1 million shares of Unity software. Cathie Wood ARK Invest purchased more than 1 million shares of Unity software after the stock slumped following its $4.4 billion acquisition of IronSource. In all combined ARK Invest ETF holdings, Unity Technology is number 13 with a position of $346 million. You can see here the trades for ARK Invest. ARK Invest has bought Unity software shares on 13th of July, 1 million shares. Unity software has a market cap of almost $10 billion. The revenue of the company is growing. 2018 they had $380 million in revenue and a loss of $131 million. The revenue is growing, but so is the loss of the company. In 2021 it had a revenue of 1.1 billion and losses of 532 million. On the other hand, IronSource, the company they just bought, has a market cap of $3.35 billion, but they are profitable. In 2019, IronSource made a revenue of 181 million with a profit of 83 million. In 2021, a revenue of 553 million and profit of 59 million. It's still growing earnings. That's a good thing for Unity software. IronSource is a one platform to turn your app into a business. Our platform lets you focus on what you do best, creating great apps and user experiences, while we take care of the rest. Level play meditation, monetization, user growth, creative management, cross-channel marketing, analytics, game publishing. These are all for developers, and for telecom operators, Aura. IronSource Aura is the market standard for creating rich device experiences that engage and retain customers. With a powerful set of solutions, Aura enables complete digital transformation, letting operators promote key services outside the store directly on device. Enemies is the latest project by Unity's award-winning demo team. It showcases Unity's capabilities for powering high-end visuals in 2022, including the latest improvements to its high-definition render pipeline, HDRP, new high-end adaptive probe volume lighting system, and an all-new strand-based hair solution, and an evolved digital human toolkit.
I have in my head everything that anyone has ever known. You have in your heart everything anyone has ever felt. Power is given only to those who dare to lower themselves and pick it up.
Unity Gaming Report 2022. There are more developers and they are making more games. The gaming industry has entered a new phase with more games, more creators and more players. Publishers are releasing more games, as you can see in this chart. The production slump of the pandemic's early phase is now far behind us, as the numbers of both developers and games have grown throughout the industry. Based on the data in the chart shown above, we've observed that there were almost twice as many games made with Unity in 2021 than in 2020. What's more, the number of creators using Unity increased by 31% in the last year. The pandemic spike in game revenue is here to stay. Is it a good thing or a bad thing that Unity Software has bought IronSource? I'd like to know your opinion on this. Please leave a comment below. If you liked this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.